A team of astronomers have found that two exoplanets orbiting a distant planet are water worlds, with water making up a large part of their volumes. According to the University of Montreal, these two exoplanets are located in a planetary system that is 218 light-years away in the constellation Lyra and are unlike any planets in our solar system. The exoplanets Kepler-138c and Kepler-138d were observed using NASA's Hubble and retired Spitzer Space Telescope. The astronomers discovered that these planets are about 1.5 times the size of the Earth and that they could be largely composed of water. The scientists didn't directly detect water, but instead, they compared the sizes and masses of the planets to models and concluded that a significant part of their volume, up to half of it, would be made up of materials that are lighter than rock but heavier than hydrogen and helium. The most common of the candidate materials that fit this description is water. We previously thought that planets that were a bit larger than Earth were big balls of metal and rock, like scaled-up versions of Earth, and that's why we called them super-Earths. However, we have now shown that these two planets, Kepler-138c and d, are quite different in nature. A big fraction of their entire volume is likely composed of water. It is the first time we observe planets that can be confidently identified as water worlds, a type of planet that was theorized by astronomers to exist for a long time, explained Bjorn Benniek, leader of the study published in the journal Nature Astronomy. With volumes more than 3 times the Earth's and masses twice as much, the two planets, Kepler-138c and Kepler-138d, have much lower densities than our planet. This came as a surprise to the scientists because most of the planets slightly bigger than Earth that have been studied until now have all turned out to be rocky worlds just like the pale blue dot. But at the same time, researchers point out that these two planets may not have oceans like we have on Earth, right on the planet's surface. The temperature in Kepler-138c's and Kepler-138d's atmospheres is likely above the boiling point of water, and we expect a thick, dense atmosphere made of steam on these planets. Only under that steam atmosphere there could potentially be liquid water at high pressure, or even water in another phase that occurs at high pressures, called a supercritical fluid, explained Caroline Pialet, a member of the research team, in a press statement.